I believe that you don't need any encouragement to want to become a voiceover artist. If you're here now, then you're surely interested and curious about learning more about voiceover as a profession. And if you're somebody who's maybe dipped their toes in or has no experience at all, let me tell you this: if you have a voice, if you can speak, if you can read, then you have a real chance of earning good money as a professional voiceover artist. It is a really rewarding job, and it's something that you can maintain and look after yourself. You can do this as you work. It could be an extracurricular activity. It could be something that you do as your main work, because the money can be very good. The thing is though, where do you get started? How do you know where to enter the industry? How do you contact libraries and agents? And what's the right way to put reels together in an ever-changing industry such as voiceover? There is so much that's happening now with voiceover, and because of COVID sending people away from the workplace, people are more often working from home. Many of us have lost our jobs, and so having an extra income and the ability to be able to manage our own business and our own self as a brand or as a product or service is very valuable. Hi, my name is Darren McStay, and this course has been built out of a need for people to want to learn, to grow, and to take charge of their own lives and their own business and their own finances. And having a voice and sharing your voice and being a voice for others is a real opportunity, and it's a real chance to make that extra income. Throughout this course, I've laid down in easy to implement steps, a way which you can go from wherever you are now to becoming a complete professional. Now, how you use it is up to you, and I have to say there are assignments that happen throughout the course, and if they're not met, you're not necessarily going to get the results that you want. Just reading the text and listening to the audios and watching the videos is not going to be enough. You have to do the work, but the work is laid out here for you. This course will take you through understanding the voice, finding expression, tonalities, articulation, as well as understanding different kinds of headphones, audio interfaces, your digital audio workstations on the computer, and of course there's the technical specifications of that. Then there's agencies and libraries. How do you contact them? Where do you find them? How do you know what kind of material to put together for a voice reel? How do you know what kind of work is out there? I'm going to get you to test and try out all of these elements in a way that's going to help you better understand where you fit, what your niche may be, and what you really have a passion for, so then you can directly go and seek work in that area and also promote yourself as a voiceover artist. It does sound like it can be very complicated, but it's not. It really isn't. It's just knowing. And this is what the course aims to do, is to unlock some of that information, demystify the process of becoming a voiceover artist. And trust me, if you can speak, if you have a voice, anyone can do this. Another great thing is this course is completely tax deductible, because as a voiceover artist, you are now a business for yourself. You're a freelancer, and educational courses such as this become tax deductible. So in a sense, you don't have to pay for this course, it'll pay for itself. And in fact, it should earn you money, and that's what I hope I can do, is give you the tools and the processes and systems that you can take and use for yourself to make an income, whether it's just a little bit extra every month or it's as a full-time job. You can do it, it can be done. This course aims at giving you that information. There's also going to be the option of purchasing one-to-one coaching that you can have at different points throughout the course in order to clear up any areas, or that I can help guide you specifically towards your approach when it comes to voiceover. So thank you very much for watching this. I hope you invest in the course, and if you do, I will see you there. If not, then good luck and all the best in your career.